Hi, I'm Deborah N. Mum, the founder and director of Create Center for the Arts in Palm Desert. I'm Facebook Living you today because we have a unique opportunity to really help our medical professionals that are working out in the field. I don't know if you've heard, but there is a shortage of personal protective equipment, PPE, nationwide, and certainly we're expecting to experience that right here in the Coachella Valley. Behind me, we have some 3D printers, and the team at Create is very excited to work with some doctors at the hospitals on producing some 3D printed visors. Now, these visors hold a clear sheet of plastic that acts as a face shield and protects our medical professionals from the spread of COVID-19. So, first, I just want to say that we have this equipment thanks to people in our community that have invested in us with grants. Thank you, Bighorn Cares. They sponsored our very first 3D printer, and thanks to the HN and Francis C. Berger Foundation for your support. We really appreciate help from the community in keeping our organization going and innovative. So also I'd like to thank KESQ for helping us spread the word yesterday. They posted a story. Maybe you've seen it, maybe not, I don't know. But thank you, KESQ, for helping us spread the word. So here's what we're doing, is we have the opportunity to pretty much print 24/7. These printers, one of these, let's see if I can get it here. I am not a selfie person, by the way. This printer will print, approximately most 3D printers that you may or may not have at home will print approximately one of these pieces per hour. So, if you have a bigger machine that can hold a lot more prints, it doesn't mean that it takes less than an hour for each one. It takes an hour to print. So we are also fortunate to have connected with a really lovely gentleman, Bill Craig, who has a company called 3DRP. He has some PETG in stock, and we are starting to test some prototypes with their company in Orange County. Bill's a local Palm Desert guy, and he's joining our cause. And also, I'd like to thank Dr. Tang at Cal Poly Pomona for their loan of this really cool Pulse XE machine. And I just want to say that the reason that they're not printing right now is because we're waiting for material shipment. So I am hanging out over here at Create Center looking for the FedEx guy. There is an extreme demand for these materials. We will be posting the protocols and parameters for printing these face shields on our website. Obviously, once they're done printing, you don't want to touch them. You want to make sure you're wearing gloves, and those kind of considerations will help keep our medical professionals safe. The model number for the shield is 4233193 on the Thingiverse. That's Thingiverse. And we want to use the same design and keep it uniform, so we can also use the same face shield guards that will fit in. It'll be universal, so we won't have to worry about that. So we have 20,000 clear plastic face shields available to us. Those are running pretty close to $1. It costs right around $1 to print each one of the shields. The Velcro strap, we're looking into that. It's about 60 to 70 cents. And I would say that with all the generosity and help that we're getting from the community, you know, 20,000 should be, we should be able to print that in less than 30 days. And that's also taking into consideration your generous donation to help us order PETG. This is an immediate need. We placed an order that was in stock when we ordered it, and by the time they went to fulfill the order, they had to ship it from the East Coast, which is why we're not printing right now. The prototype that we have made here is made from PLA, which is not suitable plastic for this application. So I know, you know, like our nice MakerBot back here is not able to help us out with this particular task because it's limited to print with PLA. So I don't know what else to tell you. So if you have a 3D printer at home, we're happy to be the hub and collection spot for, you know, you can bring your 3D printed shields to us and we'll make sure they get distributed to the hospital. All prints must be PETG. You need a press bed that's at least 6 inches by 7 inches to do the print. And we would really appreciate your help. Please call the office, or even better, send an email to info@createcenterforthearts.org, and we can send you all the stuff that you need to know. So really, the best way to help is donate. And here's why. We get better prices when we buy things in bulk. So, you know, although we will be posting an Amazon wish list, thanks Carrie Hendricks for that hot thought. I like it. But it's really better for us to be able to buy in bulk and get a good amount of these supplies immediately. So just a donation to our site in any amount, $25, buys us 1 roll of PETG, which is the type of filament. It's a 1.75. And oh gosh, it's the phone. $1,000 buys us a 3D printer. So each 3D printer can print approximately 20 of these a day. We're looking to establish a print farm of a minimum of 10 printers here at the Create Center.